Alright, everybody, welcome back. This is the recap for our 2014 Panini Prizm World Cup break number 16. First, we're going to start off with a bunch of randoms we have to do. So, first off, we will random off the Sao Paulo team card. It is among all 32 teams, so we'll randomize the list 3 times. Whoever's on top does get the Sao Paulo card. So, good luck, everybody. 3 times. There are 32 items on our list. Korea 1 time. 2 times Brazil, 3rd and final. Uruguay 3 times. Uruguay on top. So you win the Sao Paulo. Next up, I have 2 of the same Falicos. So I'm going to randomize the list. Teams 1 and 2 will each get one. So Team 1 will get one and Team 2 will get one on top of the list. So let me get that list back up. Here we go. Teams 1 and 2 will each get one. Good luck. 1 time USA Japan. 2 times Belgium Croatia. 3rd and final. Good luck, everybody. Italy and Argentina. 3 times Italy and Argentina each will get a Falico card. Alright, duel, we had a Demaria Alves, red, white, and blue. This is owned by both, the owner has both teams, so that one we don't need to random. First up, we have Inestia and Ribery duel. So let me put those 2 in. Iniesta, Ribery. So we'll random this one 3 times. Whoever's on top gets the card. Good luck. 1 time Ribery, 2 times Ribery, 3rd and final. Good luck. Inestia. Inestia goes home to that one. Next up, Valencia and Ribery. Valencia and Ribery. He's just on all the cards, I guess. Valencia and Ribery. Alright, 3 times. Good luck. Once Valencia, twice Valencia, 3rd and final. Valencia stays on top all 3 times. Next up, we have Cavani and Balotelli Refractor. Cavani and Balotelli. Alright, good luck, everybody. 1 time Balotelli, 2 times Balotelli, 3rd and final. Balotelli stays on top 3 times. Next up, we have Pogba and Barami. Pogba and Barami, just a base one. Alright, good luck. One time Pogba, 2 times Pogba, 3rd and final. Pogba stays on top. I guess whoever's on top seems to be winning. Next up, Khedira and Schneider base insert. Khedira, whatever his name is. Khedira and Schneider. See if we can break the spell of 3 straight hits. Alright, good luck. 1 time Khedira, 2 times Khedira, 3rd and final. Khedira does not move. I've never seen this happen. Keeps going and going. Alright, next up, Zico and Aguero base insert. Zico, Aguero. Alright, good luck, everybody. Come on, focus. Alright, 1 time Zico, 2 times Zico, 3rd and final. DeZico stays on top. All 3 times. And third and final, we have Perlo and Gerard, red, white, and blue. And Gerard. Good luck. Perlo and Gerard. 1 time Gerard. 2 times Gerard. Third and final. Gerard. 3 times. Did not move from the top. The last 3 people. The one that snuck through was Balotelli. Alright, now on to the recap. Team cards, we had Russia, Brazil, and Ghana. Guardians, Neuer, Muslera, Barry. Aerial Assault, Tim Cahill. Net Finders, we had Villa, Neymar Jr., Donovan, Rooney, Ronaldo, and Refractor Mitroglou. World Cup stars. Let's see here. Try again in somewhat of order. We have Gerard, Robin, Baggio, Hazard, Cavani, Ronaldo, Refractor, Piqué, red, white, and yellow, Cannavaro, red, white, and blue, Modric, red, white, and yellow, Hernandez, red, Baggio out of 149. Next up, we have Cup Captains. We've got Yepes, Sirna, Buhera, Inler, Gerard, red, white, and blue, Shurakov, red, white, and blue, Gerard. Then we have the red and blue serial number combo Buheras. Congrats to those ones. Next up, we have our colored base. Red, white, and blue, Modric. Refractor, Panjanic. Blue, Cavani. Red, white, and blue, Shurakov. Red, white, and yellow, Witzel. Red, white, and yellow, Shurakov. Carrick, red, white, and blue. Villa, red, white, and blue. Refractor, Wilkshire. Chelani, Refractor. Indy, red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue, Schneider. Snuck a World Cup stars, red, white, and yellow, Lamb in. And a purple Seferovic out of 99. Now on to our last couple hits. We hit a Eusebio for Team Portugal. A green Marchisio out of 25. Then we hit a Falcao out of 10, Aerial Assault, 8 of 10, I believe. 8 of 10. And then we had 1 auto, Robert Baggio for Team Italy. So congrats to Team Italy, and that does it for this break.